back to Flora's Foods Kitchen. I'm Luke.
And I'm Kay.
And today we're going to be cooking a homemade takeaway style lamb shish kebab. If you like a good kebab like me and Kay do, you're going to love this recipe. Tender chunks of marinated melt-in-the-mouth lamb served in a pita bread with all the salad and your choice of garlic mayo or chilli sauce. Delicious. Today for cooking our kebabs we're going to be using lamb neck fillet. You can also use lamb loin or lamb leg steak, or go and speak to your butcher and he'll advise you on the best lamb to use. With a sharp knife, cut the meat roughly into 2-inch cubes. Then place into a Ziploc bag or use a bowl if you prefer. To marinate your lamb, use 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon each of garlic puree and Sundried Tomato Puree, 1/4 teaspoon each of Cayenne Pepper, Paprika, Ground Coriander and Cumin, and finally a squeeze of half a lemon. Seal the bag and release any excess air, and then fully coat the lamb with all them great flavours by rubbing through the bag. Right, I'm going to put this in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or longer the better. This is a great opportunity to start making your salads or your sauces for your kebabs. Cut up all your salad items. For our salad we used lettuce, cucumber, onions and tomatoes. We also make a fantastic red cabbage salad, which we will leave a link for once we've uploaded the video. If using a barbecue, it's best to use metal skewers, or if you're using a griddle, use wooden skewers to the size of your pan. Good old British barbecue. Wouldn't be a barbecue without rain. There we go. For those who are not using the barbecue, as you can see, I've included the griddle method in the top left-hand corner. Both methods should take roughly around 12 to 20 minutes, turning halfway through, depending how well done you like your lamb. Cut into the meat to check if it's done to your liking. Once your lamb's cooked, start to warm up your Pitta Breads on the grill. Then serve it up on a bed of rice or some salad. Okay, and there we have it, our homemade takeaway style lamb shish kebab. We served it on this side with homemade garlic mayo and all the salad.
And on this side, we've got it with chilli sauce and a bed of rice with a little bit of salad. Remember, if you want to know how to make our garlic sauce and our chilli sauce and our shredded red cabbage, then subscribe now and you'll be alerted when the videos come out. Let's eat.
Let's dig in.
That's lovely.
That lamb's brilliant. The lamb's perfect. It's melt in the mouth. The garlic mayo just finishes it off perfect on this side. What's the chilli like? Spot on. Just try it. Oh, the chilli sauce is good.
Yeah.
That is a proper takeaway style lamb shish kebab right there. Welcome back to Flora's Foods Kitchen. I'm Luke.
And I'm Kay.
And that's the dishwasher. Oh no. If you can't get hold of lamb neck fillet, you can also Oh.
Don't reuse this. You can also use this or this, or you can speak to your butcher.
It's so easy to say when you're not behind the camera. Yeah, fantastic.
What's that about the British weather?
It's not a proper barbecue if it ain't raining. Was I saying chicken earlier?
I don't know.
I don't know. And there we have it, our homemade takeaway lamb. You laughing?
I'm saying chicken earlier. Okay.
Right, you ready?
Yeah. Is it lamb or is it chicken?
It's lamb. And there we have it, our homemade. Stop laughing, come on. I want to get this done. Hello, Bruno. He wants some as well.